Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen again. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Poshmark. I've been using Poshmark for the past couple months, and I'm here to give you my top 5 tips on how to use Poshmark. So Poshmark is an app, or you can go on your computer, where you would post your items like shoes, clothing, women's clothing, men's clothing, kids' clothing, cell phone cases, jewelry, all kinds of items. And I wanted to give you the top 5 tips on how to utilize Poshmark and let you guys know it's been awesome. It's super easy to use, and I've made quite a lot of money so far, so it's awesome. With Poshmark, one of the first steps is it's a free app that allows you to sell your items on your own. It does take a fee, but the fee is not that much. It's great. It includes the fee, so you'll get a, within the fee, you'll sell the item, you navigate through the app, which you post photos, then a description, and then you share it. There's different types of, they're called like parties you can go to. It's like a dress party, shirt party, kids party. All you do is click to join, then you share your items to that particular party. It's so awesome. And then you get more visibility. Also, once you go into the app, you click your items, and the importance of sharing. So sharing is great. You click on it, you press your little circle with the arrows, click share, and you can click share to your particular feed or to that party that you joined. And then all Poshers get to see, the Poshers that follow you. And then you could follow other Poshers and share their items. And then that's how you get more followers. So it's really awesome. How you ship your items. So once you sell an item, you'll get a notification and then an email. In the email, there is a prepaid USPS mailing label. It kind of looks like this. So the label you will put on your USPS, whether it's a box or a envelope. I go to the post office and pick up free envelopes and boxes, so it's awesome. I don't have to go out and buy bags or anything like that. And then you just tape on your label, and you take it to your post office, they scan it and send it out. And then when you go back into the app, and then you, on the item that you sold, you will go in and say that you shipped it, and then it will track the item. So it's really awesome. So personally, I think Poshmark is phenomenal. The tips that I have for you guys, I can leave them on the end screen so you can see them. But if you have any questions, I have my store down below. Love for you guys to check it out and download Poshmark. There's a link down below where you can download the app and start selling yourself. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that it's awesome. It's a great way to make extra money if you're trying to go on vacation or pay for a car or pay for a wedding, whatever. But I think it is so awesome. So thank you guys for your time today, and go get that Poshmark app. Bye-bye.